So welcome students to my channel once again. In this video I have brought this sum for you all. So look at the sum very carefully. We have to prove that cot A plus cot 60 degree plus A plus cot 120 degree plus A is equal to 3 cot 3A, right? Cot A plus cot 60 degree plus A plus cot 120 degree plus A is equal to 3 cot 3A, right? So I am starting the solution. Clear? So first let us assume let tan A is equal to x. Okay, name it as equation 1. Clear? So cot A will be 1 by x, right? Name it as equation 2, right? Now we will try to find tan 3A. Okay, tan 3A. What is the formula of tan 3A? Tan 3A is equal to 3 tan A minus tan cube A. Okay, tan 3A is equal to 3 tan A minus tan cube A, 1 minus 3 tan square A, right? So this tan A is x, so 3x minus x cube, right? And 1 minus 3x square, right? So here you have to write using, we got this value x using this equation 1, using equation 1. Okay, so tan 3A is this one. Okay, so cot 3A will be cot 3A. Cot 3A will be just the inverse of this, the reciprocal of this, 1 minus 3x square, 3x minus x cube, right? Clear? So now 3 cot 3A. Okay, the 3 cot 3A will be 3 into 1 minus 3x square by 3x minus x cube. Okay, so name it as equation 3. Okay, clear? So now we'll try to find tan 60 degree plus A. Okay, now we'll try to find this, because here we have this one. What is the formula of tan A plus B? Tan A means tan 60 degree plus tan A, 1 minus tan 60 degree into tan A, right? So what is the value of tan 60 degree? 0, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3. So root 3 plus x, okay, 1 minus root 3x. Again we got this value x using equation 1. So again here you have to write using equation 1, right? So this is tan 60 degree plus A. So what it will be? Cot 60 degree plus A. Cot 60 degree plus, this will go up, 1 minus root 3x, right? Root 3 plus x. Okay, So name it as equation 4. Okay. Now we will try to find this tan 120 degree plus a. Again the formula tan a plus b formula. Tan a plus tan b, that means tan 120 degree plus tan a, 1 minus tan 120 degree into tan a, right? What is the value of tan? This we can write as tan 1 into 90 degree. This tan 120, tan 1 into 90 degree plus 30 degree. Okay, plus tan a value is x. 1 minus tan 1 into 90 degree plus 30 degree into x. Again here you have to write using equation 1, right? So it will tan 120 degree plus a is tan 1 into 90 degree plus 30 degree. 1 is an odd number, so tan will become cot 30 degree. And it is in which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant tan is negative. Okay, so here minus will come, minus cot 30 degree plus x. Again 1 minus already there. Tan 1 into 90 degree, that is again cot 30 degree, since 1 is odd and it is in the second quadrant, so again minus will come. Okay, into x, right? So what is the value of tan 30 degree? 1 by root 3, so cot 30 degree will be root 3, that means minus root 3 plus x, and here it will be 1 plus cot 30 degree into x, right? So here it will be x minus root 3, and here it will be 1 plus root 3x. Okay, so this is tan 120 degree plus a. So cot 120 degree plus a will be cot 120 degree plus a will be just the reciprocal of this. This 1 plus root 3x will go up, 1 plus root 3x, and x minus root 3 will come down. This will name it as equation, last equation was 4, so this equation will name it as 5. Okay, now what will we do? Add equation 4 and 5. Okay, equation 4 plus equation 5 will add, since here is cot 60 degree plus a plus cot 120 degree plus a. Okay, so equation 4 plus equation 5 will be cot 60 degree plus a plus cot 120 degree plus a. Okay, cot 60 degree plus a was 1 minus root 3x, 1 minus root 3x, root 3 plus x, root 3 plus x, plus 1 plus root 3x, 1 plus root 3x, x minus root 3, x minus root 3, right? So this will be, this I can write it as x plus root 3, x plus root 3 x minus root 3. So the LCM will be this only, and again 1 minus root 3x into x minus root 3 plus 1 plus root 3x, 1 plus root 3x into root 3 plus x. Okay, clear? So this will be a plus b into a minus b, x square minus 3, right? And here 1 into x is x, 1 into minus root 3, that is minus root 3. Okay, then minus root 3 into x is minus root 3 x square, minus root 3 x square. Sorry, here will run out of space, here will run out of space, so I am doing it in the down only. X square minus 3, a plus b into a minus b, x square minus 3. Acha, 1 into 1 is 1 plus root 3x, sorry, 1 oh, 1 into x is x, 1 into x is x, 1 into minus root 3 is minus root 3, minus root 3x into x is minus root 3 x square, minus root 3x into minus root 3 minus minus plus 3x. Okay, plus 1 into root 3 is plus root 3, 1 into x is x, plus root 3x into root 3, that is 3x plus root 3 x square. Okay, so now see, minus root 3 and plus root 3 will get cancelled, minus root 3 plus root 3 will get cancelled. Acha, minus root 3 x square plus root 3 x square will also get cancelled. So now it will be x plus 3x, 4x, 5x, 6, 7, 8x, 8x by x square minus 3. So now we can write cot 60 degree plus a plus cot 120 degree plus a is equal to 8x by x square minus 3, right? And we'll name this as equation 6, right? So watch till here you all have seen. Okay, so now we'll start doing the LHS, left hand side. What was LHS? LHS was this one. You have to find the whole. Cot A plus cot 60 degree plus a plus cot 120 degree plus a. Cot A plus cot 60 degree plus a plus cot 120 degree plus a, right? Acha, so cot A was 1 by x plus cot 60 degree plus a plus cot 120 degree plus a is 8x by x square minus 3. 8x by x square minus 3, right? Here you have to write using equation, this value we got using equation 2, and this value we got equation 6. Okay, 2 and equation 6, right? So now LCM will be x into x square minus 3. So x square minus 3 plus 8 x into x, that is x square, right? So it will be 9x square minus 3 x cube minus 3x, right? So this we can write in this way also, 3 into 3x square minus 1, right? And in the denominator x cube minus 3x, right? So this I can write in this way also, 3 into minus 1 minus 3x square. Okay, this I can write in this way also, 3 into 3x square minus 1, I am writing it as minus 1 minus 3x square, and x cube minus 3x I can write in this way also, minus 3x minus x cube, right? I can write in this way. So minus minus will get cancelled, so I can write finally in this way, 3 into 1 minus 3x square, 3x minus x cube, and which is the value of what? See, 3 cot 3a. 3 into 1 minus 3x square, 3 into 1 minus 3x square, 3x minus x cube, 3x minus x cube. So this we can write it as 3 cot 3a. We have seen earlier, we had proved that tan 3a is this one, so cot 3a will be this one, so 3 cot 3a will be this one, equation 3. So we have got, and we have got this value using equation 3. Okay, and this is the RHS. See, cot a plus cot 1 is equal to 3 cot 3a. We had to prove this only. Okay, so proved. Clear? Thanks for watching.